Hey guys, good afternoon. So I'm just finishing here. I've been working with this awesome guy for a while now. I know him for a very long time. At my other job where I worked for like 14 years or so, he was an awesome photographer. He takes awesome shots of the night sky. Anyway, I've known him for a while. He's a great guy. But we've done this in the past. This is actually like a waterfall. And this is all like these little rocks here, these sheet rocks. And I wish I had it before, but he did all of this and I helped him organize a little bit. But we're kind of doing the same thing here. We're getting this ready to put it here. So last time we were here, we did some stuff here. We had to screw this in, and then we made this little platform. We're gonna put some rocks on there, and then eventually this was all, I put all this out here so he is able to look at it and then place where it needs to go here. It's like a big giant puzzle. So that's what he's going to do. But we got this all laid out today. And then we did some chainsawing and some pruning out back. But he has a really beautiful property. Today, while I was working out here, 2 deer walked by. So there's deer here too, right by the beach. And there's the robin. I was about to show you. Last time I was here, if you saw the other video, look at that. There were eggs here last time. So now, that's pretty cool. That's what I look like in the morning with my hair. That's pretty cool. Check out these rocks though. All right, so that's my end of the day here. I'll come back again. Got some more projects to do. But anyway, that's it. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys. So the last time I got off of work at the same house, I decided to do a little hike. So today I'm gonna do another one I've never done before. Actually, on the way here, I'm parking right here. There are 2 deer right down there, and they ran into the woods here. So anyway, so there are some deer in here. This is where I am, just in case anybody else is interested in taking this little hike. So I have no idea what to expect. I've never walked through here before. Here's some information. We are here. So I'm probably just gonna go up and maybe just back. Please stay on trails, beware of surroundings. All right. So cool, here's like a little map. All right, so I'm gonna take a little walk in. Here's number 1 and 2. I took a picture of the map. Nice sunny day today, but there looks like there's gonna be lots of shade. When you're in the shade, it feels like it's 75. When you're not in the shade, it feels like 80. So it does make a big difference. It's been 80 plus the last day or two. Well, it's not nice breeze. So this is right where the deer ran into. If we get lucky, we might get a chance to see some. These are the type of trails I like. There's nobody around. You can see there's nobody in the little parking lot. But very well maintained. Look at this pretty cool walking trail. That was a black squirrel. We got a few different kind of squirrels here. Another squirrel chipmunk. That's more like a brown one. They usually don't stay still enough to capture it. Alright, let's see what else we can find. So hopefully everyone is doing alright. We're pretty lucky to have lots of trails like this around the area. And I never really get a chance to walk a lot of these. We don't see a lot of pine cones in the Philippines. There's a pine tree. Lots of pines in here. It's like huge Christmas trees. I hear something big, I'm pretty sure. The deer over there. I saw something move across. Yep, there's one right there. You probably won't be able to see it. Kind of make out its body right there. Only if it moves. It's pretty far in there. If I try to walk back there, it's just gonna run away. I'm not sure which way this path is gonna go. I'm gonna walk in there just a little bit. It's still right there. There it goes. So hopefully this path kind of winds out and goes that way a little bit. We'll see. So we know there's some deer this way, and that's the ones I probably saw on the way in here. Something I never really got much of a chance to do. I did do it when I was younger, but like, you know, I leave every winter. And walking through here during the winter, I've done little trails, but that's something I kind of want to do eventually. Even though I don't like the cold, but taking hikes like that are pretty cool in the winter. In some of these places, there's actually like cross-country skiing, which I've never tried before. You just get some skis, heard some birds, and you just go across. You know, you don't need hills for that. I've never tried that, so if you guys have tried that before, let me know. You can see here, maybe not. Sometimes they have pictures of actually cross-country skiing. That looks like a walking stick, not a ski stick. So that's good to know. We know that we're still on the trail. So this is where it actually breaks off. So I'm gonna take a left because that's where I saw the deer. So hopefully we can see them again. So Merritt Pond Trail. I'll keep my eye open for mushrooms too. One I'm looking for is like the chicken of the woods. I think if I see that, I would be able to know what it looks like. It like grows on the bottom, the base of the trees. And they grow in a bunch. There's some mushrooms, one in particular. Oh, there is a river. I think that's the pond. So I think it's gonna go right up there. So that's cool. But anyway, mushrooms, morel. Those are probably my favorite, but those are so hard to find. And they only grow like one at a time. So like chicken of the woods, it seems like those grow in a bunch. But I haven't seen any yet. I'm gonna take advantage of these nice days. Perfect hiking weather, especially when you have the shade like this. beautiful out here. Usually around stumps is where mushrooms grow. I wonder if there's any frogs or turtles down here. That kind of looks like a alligator in the water. Right there. Looks like 2 eyes and 2 nostrils. Do you guys see that? That's funny. But that's something we don't have to worry about here. There's not really too many dangerous animals here, which is, I'm pretty lucky. I have heard stories of people getting attacked by deer though. But that's very rare. And there has been, you know, snake bites. I've been bit by a snake before, by garter snakes, and they don't do really any harm. Very well marked. That's cool. Sometimes the path isn't so easy to see, especially if it's not walked on every day. So with those trail markers, that does make it easy. So if you're around this area, I recommend, and do what I did. I just put in hiking, you know, in my Google Maps, and it'll take you right here. And there's other ones too. This one was just close to where I was. Alright, still on the right trail. Something must have ran through here though. There's a lot of kick up. My guess would be deer. Looks like a little baby one. That's probably a mother and that little baby I saw. This is my therapy though. If I ever have a bad day or feeling stressed out, if you go for a hike, it's a good way to just relax, and all the tension just kind of goes away. It's hard to be in a bad mood when you're taking a hike. Unless you get lost. But this trail's pretty easy to follow. This is probably one of the best marked trails I've ever been on. I've been on some trails where you don't know where you are sometimes. Like, you're on a path, but then sometimes the path will split. You have no idea which way to go. There's no signs. So there are some berries along the way. There's some bugs hanging out. These might be blackberry once they're ready to eat. Lots of berries in there. Not ready to eat yet though. But there are lots of them. Here are some mushrooms. They're pretty hard and pretty old. What kind is that? All right, guys, so I just finished. I did the loop. This is where you could take the left or straight in the beginning. So I went that way and I just came from that way. So that's my little hike for today. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Very soon I will be traveling. Just gonna spend some more time here, hanging out with family. My parents' 50th anniversary is coming up. And then after that, we'll do some traveling. So hopefully you guys are doing well. We'll see you guys next time.